So £28,000 multiplied by 1.064 to the power of 3. It gives us give the answer to the nearest pound, so it's 33727. So we're going to work out side PQ, that's PR rather. I'm going to work out side PR first of all. We've got an angle between two sides, so that's the cosine rule. And that's 24 squared plus 39 squared minus 2 times 24 times 39 cos 112 degrees. 2097. And this is minus 701.26. The reason this part is negative, is because this angle is greater than 90 degrees. There's nothing to worry about, just remember to take the negative into consideration. That gives us a total of 2798.26. And we must remember to take the square root. And we get 52.899. And that's meters. So let's just call that 52.9 meters. Now I've added the 52.9 to the diagram. Let me split the triangle into, well, it's already split. Let me just label those parts 1 and 2. The area of 1 is a half AB sine C. So it's a half of 24 times 39. That's sine of 112. Area 2, I'll not write down the formula, so it's a half of 36 times 52.9 sine 86.5. That's 950.42 meters squared, and the total area then is found by adding those two numbers together, which gives us 1384.3 meters squared. Question 45, we're told that the shaded area, the sector of the circle, is 78.5 centimeters squared. We want to work out the size of the angle. So angle over 360 degrees equals area over pi r squared. I'm going to multiply by 360 to get the angle on its own. The area is 78.5 over pi times 10 squared multiplied by 360. And we get the answer 89.95 degrees, or perhaps just 90 degrees. Question 46a. Now if we multiply out the brackets, we've got x cubed times x squared, then x cubed times x to the power of minus 3. What we want to do, multiplying powers, we add the indices. So that will give me x to the 5, 3 plus 2 is 5, minus, 3 plus minus 3 is 0. So I have x to the power of 0, and x to the, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Something similar for part B, so I've got x to the power of minus 1/2 times x squared minus x to the minus 1/2. Tell you what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the 2 to the front, and x to the minus 1/2 times x, and that's x to the power of 1, although the 1's not written. Now we're going to add the powers again, so 2 plus minus 1/2 is 1/2, which we'll write as 3 over 2, that's normally how we write it. The power of the, if it's a fraction, a top heavy fraction. And then I've got number 2, now negative 1/2 plus 1 is 1/2. Now we're told that the bill including VAT, so that's the bill plus VAT gives us 117.5%. So what the question is telling us is that 117.5% equals 148.05. So what we want to do is to get 1%, we'll divide both sides by 117.5. 1% is £1.26. If I now multiply by 100, I get 100% equals £126. So we're given the area of the triangle. We've got 2 of the sides, we're trying to find the angle. Area is a half AB sine C. So 46 equals 1/2 of 10 times 13 sine of x degrees. Half of 10 is 5, 5 times 13 is 65. I'm going to divide by 65 and then shift sign.